So they told you that you cannot make money online or making money online is difficult. Listen, this is another way you can make money online. This design is going live on my Shopify to start making money right in front of you. If you are interested, let's go and let me show you how you can do this and put it on your online store or your Shopify store to start making money from home. These are businesses or setups that you can do right from your home. All you need is a small space. Yes, all you need is a small space, and you'll be making money from home without you going looking for jobs, looking for second jobs. This is your business, your brand you are about to build for yourself. Now, to do this, first of all, take the dust from your t-shirt. Yes, that's I've learned the the hard way. Take the dust from your t-shirt. You might not know that there is a dust on this t-shirt until you use that ruler to take those dirt. You will know that this was very dirty. Now there's a lot of dust on there. Okay, now this is the design that I have chosen for my boys. My boys. I have boys, so I am so attractive to boys design. So that's what we are going to be doing. And this design is also going on my Shopify store. Now, for you not to make a mistake where to place the exact place to put your design, use the ruler to measure that. My bad, I wanted to show you how to press designs that are longer than your plate. But that in this video, I think I'll do it. I think I'm going to do that. Or maybe in the second press, I'm going to do that. I'm just showing you that it is not all the designs that are, that are in the heat or the press. Mama is giving some dancing over there. I forgot to press the start. Okay. Okay, don't get distracted, Mama. Mama, you are getting distracted. This is not a time to get distracted. So we are waiting for our 40 seconds for our, heat to get in there and press that design on our t-shirt, right? So another way you can do this is to turn your shirt the other way so you don't have to press 2 times. I think that it was after this press that I realized that I could do that. And I hope that I have done that demonstration in this video. So don't go away. I'll give you a little time. I think I'm coming. That's our first press. So we are going to, no, I didn't do that. Okay. I didn't, oh, I'm going to do it. Yes, I think I'm going to do it. Let's see. Is Mama going to do that? I think so. I think Mama is like, you know what? Oh no, it's not in this video. Oh no. Okay, but I really wanted to show you how you can just press this, not have to do it 2 times for all the design. I think I'm still thinking of it. Okay, I didn't do it. No, I have changed my mind. I think so. I think I have changed my mind, oh, because I like, why don't, yes, that's what I'm talking about. You got to do that. You are just wasting your time, Mama. And again, this is a practical thing, a practical job. So you are going to be, finding out ways that works for you. Okay. So in this video, I have turned it upside down so it makes the work easier for me. You can just do it the way that it will be easier for you. So now you have seen that I have to get that other part of the designs that were not that was not pressed for the first time, so that I can get everything on board or I can get all my design. So we are waiting for our 40 seconds to be done. And whilst I'm doing that, I'm also packaging some things there. I'm making sure that some things are okay there. So yes, just be encouraged. This video is all about encourage. Guys, if you have not followed this account, please do follow this account and put your notification on so you don't miss any of my videos, because I am teaching. This is all about this platform, to teach. Okay, now this is what I was talking about. Instead of you struggling to do these 2 times, the best way to do this for this very size of machine is to turn the design the other way because it's 15 by 13. So I was all this while I was only using the 13. Look at this beauty there. I'll show you. So right now I turn the t-shirt to the 15, the design, sorry, to the other angle. So if it were to be this from the beginning, I don't have to do the third time. This is the third time I'm doing instead of just two times. So this time you have learned something new. Just do what works for you. Okay, if you are in this field, do what is working for you. There are other ways other people do it, but which one does work for you? I am finding the ways that works better for me. So you're going to see a lot of changes. I've just started. I'm still learning. I am a practical person. I'm a creative person. So I'm always finding the best way for me and my business. So now, as you can see, we are waiting for that 40 seconds based on my setup. And then your machine, you can set it up on maybe 30 seconds. It all depends on what you are pressing. But for the t-shirt, I think that 40 is okay. Wow. Wow, look at this. Where are my mamas who have boys? This one is the music lover and is just having fun with the afro. Ah, 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 ah. Thanks for watching. Remember to follow this account, share, and